class, how many problems we discussed from the question bank? Second unit. I discussed whole the unit, but any problems chesam manam? 2 Okay. Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many problems we have done in the previous class? Tell me. Huh? Tell me, ma. ఏంట్రా చేయలేదా నిన్న మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాం కదా 2 questions a power 8 is equal to 625i and one more question for the 2 by 2 matrix for finding eigenvalues, right? Huh? Is it clear? 2 questions and aindi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today also I'll continue the question bank ma. From next day onwards I'll start the third unit. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now write down one more question from this question bank. Okay. Once you see the critical thinking question, is it visible to everyone? Use Cayley-Hamilton theorem to find a cube and a power minus 3. Is it finished yesterday class? అవ్వలేదు కదా? Note down this second question from the critical thinking. Write down the second question. Use Cayley-Hamilton theorem to find a cube and a power minus 3 if a is equal to 2, 4, 1, 1. Why is it over? అవ్వలేదు కదా? Once you give the confirmation of this. Anyone?
No, ma'am. Kale.
Okay. Right. Second question. Use Cayley-Hamilton theorem to find a cube and a power minus 3. Any idea about the for finding a power minus 3? Anyone finished ma? No RS. Okay. Okay, write it. Finished? All are copied ma second question. I'll take the whiteboard.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's the matrix? Tell me. A is equal to 2, 4, 1.
1, 1.
Okay. For that find a cube and using Cayley-Hamilton theorem to find a cube and a power minus 3, right? Okay, for that answer. Anyway, we know the procedure for the first part, a cube. Okay, have doubts in a power minus 3. Okay, now first find out a cube, after that I'll explain a power minus 3. The characteristic equation is that a minus lambda I is equal to 0. For the 2 minus lambda, 4, 1, 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. 2 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. Then 2 minus 2 lambda minus lambda plus lambda square minus 4 is equal to 0. From that, lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. All of you got it? Is it correct or wrong? Once you check it, ma. Polynomial. Is it correct? Then by using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, a square minus 3a minus 2 into I is equal to 0. For that, what is a square? 3a plus 2a. All of you got it? Same the polynomial?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From that, find a cube. How we are finding a cube? Both sides. For finding a cube, find a cube. For that, both sides multiply with a. Okay, both sides multiply with a from the above equation. Okay, from that, a into a square is equal to a into 3a plus 2a. For that, a cube is equal to what? 3a square plus 2a into I. Okay, that is a cube is equal to what? 3a square plus 2a. Then what is a square? Just multiply and tell me, ma. 3 into what is a square? Tell me. Use the calculus. 2411. Okay. A cube akkada చెప్పండి నాకు. A square. Tell me a square.
Eight, 12, 3, 5, ma'am.
8, 12, 3, 5. Okay. From that multiply, tell me the final answer for the a cube. Okay, is it correct, my a cube? A cube is equal to 28, 40, 11 and 17. Okay, now. Okay, next for finding a power minus 3, this is we don't know this the procedure for finding a power minus 3. Let us take the given polynomial after converting as n through the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. It will convert as a square is equal to 3a plus 2i. I'll take that equation and I'll multiply both sides with a power minus 3. Okay, find a power minus 3. For that, from the first equation, what is polynomial a square is equal to 3a plus 2i, right? From that, both sides multiply with a power minus 3. Okay, a power, or else, wait, or else directly I am taking this one. Okay, I'll take, let us take this as the first equation. From that, multiply both sides with a power minus 3 into a square minus 3a minus 2i is equal to 0. That is a power minus 3 into a square minus 3a into a power minus 3 minus 2i into a power minus 3 is equal to 0. From that, a inverse minus 3 into a power minus 2 minus 2 into a power minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 into a power minus 3 is equal to 3a inverse 2 minus a inverse. Then a power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3a inverse 2 minus a inverse. Okay. Then from that, okay, from that first equation we got a power minus 3. But from that a power minus 3, what we required, ma? A power minus 2 and a power minus 1, right? From the first equation again multiply with a inverse 2 and a inverse. From that we got a inverse 2 and a inverse 1 matrices. Ma, shall I rub the first part here?
మ్యామ్ అది 2844 మ్యామ్ అక్కడ 40 కాదు.
ఇక్కడ
A cube equal to
సమ్ క్యాల్కులేషన్స్ కొంచెం మిస్టేక్ అయితే అటు ఇటు అయితే చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా. ఓకే, షల్ ఐ రబ్ ద ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ నా? Okay, again from the first equation, once again tell me that polynomial a square minus 3a minus 2i. Once you check, ma, from the first part we got a power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3a power minus 2 minus a inverse. But without knowing a power minus 2 and a inverse 2, a inverse, how we solve a power minus 3? For that again I am taking the polynomial and after that I will multiply both sides with a inverse. Okay, that is a inverse into a square minus 3a minus 2i. Both sides means that is 0 only. That is a power 1 minus 3i minus 2 into a inverse is equal to 0. From that 2a inverse is equal to a minus 3i. Okay, from that a inverse is equal to 1 by 2 into a minus 3i. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనకి a inverse వచ్చేస్తుందమ్మా. Okay, ఈ part నుంచి we got a inverse. Okay, again from the first equation, multiply both sides with a power minus 2. Okay, that is a square minus 3a minus 2i is equal to 0. That is a inverse 2 into a square, that is I, minus 3 into a power minus 1 minus 2 into a inverse 2 is equal to 0. That is from that, what is a inverse 2? Okay, 2 into a inverse 2 is equal to I minus 3a inverse. From that, a inverse 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into I minus 3a inverse. Okay, from this we got A inverse 2 also. Just simplify A inverse and A inverse 2, and after that substitute that A inverse 2 and A inverse in the A power minus 3 equation. Finally, we got the answer for A power minus 3. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, next. Now, first find out A inverse and A inverse 2, and after that substitute both the values in A power minus 3. Okay? Is it clear? Shall I rub the second part here? Continue Jayandama. Continue, just tell me the final answer for the A power minus 3. Anyone got the answer for A power minus 3? First tell me A inverse ma. A inverse is equal to what? Directly from the calculus I got the answer, right? What is A inverse? What is A inverse? Anyone finished my A inverse?
Minus 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 2, 1.
Minus 1 by 2 to
1 by 2 minus 1.
1 by 2 minus 1. And what about A power minus 2? Fractions lost. Okay. 1 by 2 on the other, then we got in fractional values. Tell me A power minus 2. Some students are simply sleeping without finding the answers. Be alert, ma. Anyone finished my A power minus 2? Ma, anyone got it? A power minus 2, tell me ra. Girl side. Boy side, tell me. Ma, all are there? Ma, tell me a power minus 2. Okay. Is it audible? Ma, 58 are there. No one is giving answer for me. Huh? Okay, continue, ma. After finding a power minus 2, then we got a power minus 3. Just substitute here. We got a power minus 3. Okay, na? Okay. Next. Question bank is visible, ma. Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am. Ma, wantedly you are not telling the answers. Huh? Okay, leave it. No need to explain the question bank. Why unnecessarily I am wasting my time? Huh? Directly I'll start the third unit. Okay, then take one more question. Is it completed? If A is equal to 1, 2, minus 3, 0, 3, 2, 0, 0, 2. Then find the eigenvalues of 3a cube plus 5a square minus 6a plus 2a. Is it over, ma, last class? Tell me. Complete ayinda? No one is there, ma. నేను ఏం క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ అడగట్లేదు కదా మరి అది చెప్పడానికి ఎందుకు Note on the fourth question. If A is equal to 1, 2, minus 3, 0, 3, 2, 0, 0, 2. Then find the eigenvalues of 3a cube plus 5a square minus 6a plus 2i. నేనేం క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ అడగట్లేదు కదరా copied all fourth question. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me that question, ma. Those who are copied. 1, 2, minus 3. Next here 0, 0. Tell me this row. Second row. Next element, tell me, ma.
3, 2, ma'am.
3, 2, 2.
And next.
2.
Here 2.
2.
Okay. And tell me the polynomial. Find the eigenvalues of
Find the eigenvalues of 3a cube. First one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next plus
5a square
next
minus 6a
plus 2i
plus 2i.
plus 2i. Okay. Is there any idea to find out the eigenvalues for the polynomial? Once you see the given matrix, what is the given matrix? Given matrix is in square matrix and it is in upper triangular or lower triangular? Tell me. Is it upper triangular or lower triangular?
Upper triangular, ma'am.
Here the below the diagonal elements are 0. For that case, directly what are the eigenvalues? What are the eigenvalues for that? Here the given matrix. One statement is there for any upper triangular or lower triangular that the diagonal elements only the eigenvalues, right? Here the given matrix is upper triangular. For that diagonal elements only eigenvalues. Okay, therefore here eigenvalues lambda is equal to 1, 3, 2. From that I'll assume lambda 1 is equal to 1, lambda 2 is equal to 3 and lambda 3 is equal to 2. Okay, and how we are finding the eigenvalues? Okay, from the first statement we got the eigenvalues for the given matrix, but here the question is finding eigenvalues of the given polynomial. From one of the statement, okay, already I discussed, I gave some statements. From one of the statement, if lambda is eigenvalue of A, if lambda is eigenvalue of A, then f of A eigenvalue is what? F of A eigenvalue is f of lambda. Okay, then the eigenvalue of f of A is equal to f of lambda. For that, here what is the given polynomial? Let us take the given polynomial as f of A, that is 3a cube plus 5a square minus 6a plus 2i. For that, what is the first eigenvalue? Lambda 1. That is, I am substituting directly here in place of A as lambda 1 minus lambda 1 plus 2. Okay, what is lambda 1 value? F of 1. That is 3 into 1 cube plus 5 into 3 square minus 6, I'm sorry, plus 5 into 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 2. That is 3 plus 5 minus 6 plus 2. For that we got the final answer, that is, tell me the final answer, 8 minus 6 as 4. Okay, that is first eigenvalue for the given polynomial. Similarly, find out the next eigenvalues for the given polynomial, that is 3 into lambda cube plus 5 into lambda 2 square minus 6 into lambda 2 plus 2. That is 3 into 3 cube plus 5 into 3 square minus 6 into 3 plus 2. For that, tell me, just simplify and tell me the final answer for the second eigenvalue. And similarly, substitute the third eigenvalue for the given polynomial, that is f of lambda 3 is equal to 3 lambda 3 cube plus 5 into lambda 3 square minus 6 into lambda 3 plus 2. That is 3 into lambda 3 means what? 2 cube plus 5 into lambda 3 square means what? 2 square minus 6 into 2 plus 3. That is f of 2. For that, tell me the final answer of that, ma'am. First tell me f of 3.
110, ma'am.
110. And what about f of 2?
$34, ma'am.
34. Okay. Therefore, write on the last line. Therefore, the eigenvalues of the given polynomial is 4, 110, and 34. Write down the last line, that one. Okay, now this is the procedure for finding the polynomial eigenvalues.
వద్దు వద్దు నువ్వు తిన్నా తింటా కానీ
Finished?
వద్దు వద్దు ఇప్పుడు వద్దు క్లాస్ ఏదైనా తింటా కానీ
Now please mute yourself. F2. Okay. Is it finished, ma? Shall I take one more question from the question man? Any doubts? Okay. Okay, next question. Let's take one more question. Try to solve one more, ma. Is the matrix. Note down all of you. Is the matrix -2, 2, -3, 2, 1, -6, -1, -2, 0 diagonalizable or not? Try to solve. -2, 2, -3, 2, 1, -6, -1, -2, 0. All are copied fifth question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just continue the answer for that. Now, who is giving answer? Today I'll give the attendance for that students only. Okay, na? Don't open your mouth for the attendance time also. Who is given, ma? Now answer. Just I'm writing that number only. Today I'll give the attendance for that student. Okay. I'm not taking the attendance. D?
H7.
H7. Okay. Son of ma present today only H7. Okay, tell me, ma, that matrix. Fifth question, is it diagonalizable or not? H7, tell me, ma.
-2,
Minus 2,
2, 3, 2 minus 3,
2, minus 2, 2,
minus 3, minus 3,
minus 3. Okay, next question.
2,
Next
1,
2, 1,
1, minus 6,
2, 1.
minus 6,
Okay, next
minus 1, minus 2, 0.
minus 1, minus 2, 0. Okay, for that, verify is it diagonalizable or not. Diagonalizable means what? What's the concept of the diagonalizable? Okay. If the eigenvalues are distinct means for that case it is definitely diagonalizable. Once you verify the diagonal elements are distinct or not. If the eigenvalues are repeated means for that case for the repeated value first find out eigenvectors. If the eigenvectors for the repeated value we got 2 means that is diagonalizable, and after that find another variable, another number, eigenvector. Okay, from that we got one model matrix. Is it square matrix means definitely it is diagonalizable. Okay, continue for this. What are the eigenvalues for this? Tell me.
-1, -3.
Once again, your voice is not clear, ma. What are the eigenvalues? -1,
-3, 3, ma'am.
minus
-1. Once again,
minus
please
3,
repeat. -3,
3.
3.
3.
Okay. These are the eigenvalues for the given matrix. Okay. Once you see these three are distinct or not, ma? These three are different or similar?
Different.
Different. Definitely it is diagonalizable, right? Then continue the procedure for finding each and every eigenvalue, eigenvector. Okay, now continue on. Okay, continue for finding eigenvalues. Anyone got the first eigenvector? Anyone got it?
One minus two, 5, ma'am.
Okay, for that lambda is equal -1, 1, 2, -5 is the eigenvector, right? And next continue the next one. Next if lambda is -3. But for lambda is equal to -3, what are the eigenvector? Tell me the eigenvector for lambda is -3. For lambda is equal to -3. Anyone finish that? And after that find out lambda is equal to 3. Okay. Definitely it is diagonalizable. Why? Because the eigenvalues are distinct. Okay. Anyone finished for the second part? But tell me anyone finished or continuing? Yeah. For that, 2, 1 minus of -3, 1, -1, -2, 0 minus of -3. Anyone got it, ma? Anyone got it? For the second eigenvector. Anyone got it?
Zeros, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the eigenvector for lambda is equal to -3.
I got all zeros.
You got all zeros. Malav, you got the same answer for the second eigenvector. How you got zeros, ma? No, it's not right. Once we check, Nana.
Ma'am, there -6, ma'am, not 1 in the matrix. You written 1.
Yeah, okay. Okay, don't write this one, ma, you can continue with that given matrix. Okay, na? Yes, -6 only. Okay, just continue, ma, for this question. From next class onwards, I'll start the third unit, okay?